Welcome to Rheem Tech Tips. Rheem New Zealand Limited does not in any way endorse the installation or maintenance of Rheem products by an unlicensed practitioner. The work shown in this video is provided as a guide only. Full instruction manuals are available online from My Rheem Pro.
This time we're going to show how to check and diagnose burner control solenoid faults on Rheem Series 2 gas continuous flow water heaters. The main gas burner is split into three sections. The inlet gas valve assembly controls gas to all parts of the burner, but there are three separate solenoids located on the lower burner assembly. If any of these fail, the PCB will display error code 11 or 12 during operation. The inlet gas valve assembly should always be checked first to rule out any issues there, and this is covered in Tech Tips number 9. Once a flame is detected at the flame rod located on the middle part of the burner, being controlled by solenoid 2, solenoids 1 and 3 are opened to operate the full burner. The second flame rod located at the left side of the burner will detect the flame there. These solenoids can be turned off individually during operation. This will reduce heating during low demand and water flow for normal operation. The solenoid tests can be done from connector I on the PCB, which will need to be withdrawn from the unit to gain access. This multi-plug wiring connects to all the gas control solenoids and the PGFR, as well as the spark ignition box. To test solenoid 1, turn power on and have water flowing, then use a test meter to measure voltage between pin 11 black and pin 10 blue. The reading should be between 9 and 15 volts DC. Repeat the test for solenoid 2, this time between pin 11 black and pin 8 red. The reading again should be between 9 and 15 volts DC. And finally, to test solenoid 3, this time between pin 11 black and pin 7 white, and the reading will also be between 9 and 15 volts DC. If there is an incorrect or no voltage reading for any of these tests, the PCB is faulty and should be replaced. If the voltages are good, turn off the power and remove connector I from the PCB, and then use the test meter to measure ohms for each of the solenoids in turn. The reading for each solenoid should be between 14 and 23 ohms. Solenoid 1 is measured between pin 11 black and pin 10 blue. Solenoid 2 is measured between pin 11 black and pin 8 red. Solenoid 3 is between pin 11 black and pin 7 white. If any of these are open circuit or out of range, the lower burner assembly has a faulty solenoid and should be replaced.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget, full product details, spare parts, installation and service manuals are all available through My Rheem Pro. Also, our nationwide service centre network can provide further product support if required. So just reach out to the team.